Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the brake light bulb on a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Sentra. This is the bulb right here. It's a 3057. You want to get a flathead screwdriver and look for these little clips right here. There's one and there's one up here. I took this one out already. Just put the screwdriver in, twist it, pull it out, comes out like that. Pull this back. Once you get access back here, it's pretty easy. You know, use your flathead, and then there's two screws, one here and one right here. There's one, and right back through here. Try to access this. There's the other. And the only other thing is you're gonna need a 8mm, preferably deep socket. Loose that up, come back over here. Loose that one up. You can take it off by hand. There's these two bolts here that we loosened up earlier, and then on the top and then on the bottom left, got these two here that go into the frame. The brake light is the bottom one, so go ahead and just turn it off like that. Up. 3057.